Hello and welcome back. Today I've got another amazing recipe for you, lamb Rogan Josh. Now, Australian lamb is known the world over for its quality, and the recipe is one of my personal favorites because it comes from the northernmost Indian state of Jammu and Kashmir. So without further ado, let's get into it. To make Rogan Josh, you will need paprika, yogurt, onions, ginger. I've already taken the skin off and I'll take some of that off as well. Garlic, garam masala, cumin seeds, black peppercorn, green cardamom and cloves, coriander seeds, cayenne pepper, bay leaf, cinnamon stick, and of course salt and water on the side as well. Out. This is quite fatty around this area. The rest of it is fine. So as you can see, the Rogan Josh sauce is bubbling away. We're trying to reduce it now, and I'm going to continue stirring it so that it doesn't burn because the heat is quite intense, but it's there for a reason. The idea is to get rid of as much moisture as we can so we can get a nice thick sauce. You do want to do this at a medium to medium high heat. See that right now the consistency of the sauce is still quite thin. We want this to be a nice thick creamy sort of sauce. Yeah, if it starts bubbling too ferociously, feel free to adjust the heat down because you don't want to, well, burn your hands. Look at that. Look at that sauce, how nice and thick that's become. So we don't want to cook it anymore because, as you can see, some of the fat is starting to separate from the rest of the sauce. So you don't want to cook it to a point where all the fat separates from the yogurt because that's just going to taste like this oily sort of dish, and we don't want that. So for this to taste the best, this is perfect. The last thing I'm going to add now is the garam masala. You don't need a lot of it, and that cook for just a second. And you'll see this whole dish change color. It's gonna become this nice dark brown. And honestly, if you could smell this through the video, alright guys, moment of truth, time for a taste test. You know, if Sam Kekowicz found out I was cooking lamb like this, he would be so proud. So proud. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that dish. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel right below and click on the bell icon so you'll be notified of brand new videos as and when they become available. In the meantime, happy cooking!